Can't get all this things up.
Got a little freaky ass playlist.
Freaky ass playlist. So fun.
Ready? That's not your fault.
Hey,
Hey, we about to put the butter into the pan.
Put the butter into the pan, man. Put the butter into the pan, man. Let's go.
We about to do what? Say it again.
You want to put the butter in the pan?
Say it again for the camera.
Right now, what we finna do? Put the butter into the pan.
Oh yeah!
All right. What's next?
Oh, let's do another one.
All right, what's next?
One more time.
Oh no, one more time. Oh yeah! Okay, we got garlic sauce.
Now, we put the garlic sauce
and black pepper
into the pan. Into the pan. Oh, wait, it's not even open.
Okay.
Season that, boy.
Season that. Oh.
Wait.
Don't be scared. Don't be scared.
Ain't nobody scared.
He ain't skilled over here.
Ain't nobody scared. Look how I do it. I say I'm outside of the club and they think I'm a punk. Until I push up with this AR-15 and knock the bang out his trunk.
On the paddle, into the pan.
Into the pan, man.
Hey, where's your phone at?
Into the pan.
1 out of 10. 1 out of 10.
That's it. I'll give it an 8.
Yeah, 8. That's an 8. That's maybe 5.
I'm finna take a bite for you. You ready?
iCarly?
Are you getting this good shit?
Yep, iCarly?
I call it.
iCarly type taco?
At Costco. Like as a kid, I jack off to you.
All right, just eat the fucking taco. Just eat the taco.
All right, you ready?
She doesn't need to hear that, yeah. Whoa, don't tongue it. Just bite it. Oh. It's good with the crunch, I'm not gonna lie.
I don't know if I'm drunk or that shit good as fuck.
Yeah, it's actually...
Nah.
That's mama recipe. Only mama throw hot dogs in there. You know what I'm talking about?
You fucked me up when I see the weenie.
But it's awesome.
But.
No, yeah, Descala.
Descala type vibes.
Fuck. Descala.
I like that shit.
No, I can't be in here. I got too much to lose. Come on, OT. Send him off.
Hey, ride that bitch.
Ride it like it's the last thing you ever rode. Whoa! He run. Whoa! Hold on, country boy. Hold on, country boy. Hold on. He's still on that motherfucking scrappy shoe. Come on. He's still right there. Ooh, yeah. Get on. You're not done.
No, you get your bitch ass on.
Come on, get up here. Here. They gonna get me on here.
Come on, you gotta get on here. What the f***? We gonna make you jack you off?
Just hang out, man.
I'm hanging out.
Nah, yeah, we're drunk. Hey, come here. I'm just looking for your money. Beef. Whoa. Alright, I got a surprise for you.
Alright, come on.
Hey, Cece, come outside too. Come on. I got a surprise for this one.
T.O.? OT?
What's up?
I'm so drunk right now.
I'm drunk too, baby.
Okay.
Oh, he said T.O. I thought he said Theo. Put the noodles into the bowl.
Is it busting?
Yeah, it's busting already.
Do we need more noodles?
Yeah.
Here, let's put the cheese on it first.
Alright, ready? Hey, I got a pop quiz for y'all. Everybody in the comments. Whose mama told us that these bitches was the devil?
Alright.
Hold on, wait. For real, and it's a real question. Everybody in chat. Whose mama told us that these bitches was the devil?
Answer it now.
Now, We put the
Put
cheese,
the cheese
into the bowl.
Oh yeah.
Oh, that's cheesy.
A little slow.
Get it going. Okay, pause. Pause.
I made the cheese.
Hey, Diddy.
Whoever.
Mix by hand.
No, hell no. Just mix one.
Let's use this spoon, okay?
3, 2, 1.
Oh, everybody quiet on set. 1, 2, 3. Shut the fuck up.
Yeah. Hey, everyone quiet. Everybody quiet. Everybody quiet. Come on, everybody quiet. 3, 2, 1, go.
Now
Wait, cause the cutoff is actually killing me.
we're gonna do the beginning now. Say, we are making mac and cheese. Should we say that? Or you want to say your name or no?
Huh?
You want to say your name or no? So say, this is OT, and we're making mac and cheese.
All right, you ready? 2, 1, go. What's good, putos? It's that Mexican tea, and we're making mac and cheese with Ritz on top.
Oh yeah. Should we do it again?
No.
Okay. That's awesome.
3, 2, 1. Cheers.
I'm going to eat this now. Follow us for more videos.
It looks good.
It's busting.
That looks good, Daniel.
All right. We're gonna say that.